Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B complex. First, understand that B complex isn't just one vitamin. It's a group of 8 essential B vitamins. These include B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Each plays a vital role in your body, from converting food into energy to supporting brain function and cell health. Taking them together ensures you get a balanced intake for optimal benefits. When it comes to dosage, a single B complex supplement daily is common for most adults. It's generally best to take it in the morning with your breakfast. This helps your body utilize the energy-boosting properties throughout the day. Taking it with food also aids absorption and minimizes any potential stomach discomfort. Always check the product label for specific instructions and speak with your doctor for tailored advice. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And on another note, let's talk about your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To maximize the benefits of your B complex, always choose a high-quality supplement. Look for reputable brands that offer third-party testing for purity and potency. Store your vitamins properly in a cool, dry place to maintain their effectiveness. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking your B complex regularly, as directed, will help ensure your body receives a steady supply of these vital nutrients for sustained health support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.